In this video, I'll show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App on an Android phone. First, go to the Cash App and open it. This is for an Android, so down at the bottom there's a little squiggly line, this one here, and that will bring you to the Bitcoin screen. Okay, now at the bottom, you have these options to buy. Sell is not in there, because I don't have any funds in there, but if I had funds in this account, then the sell button here would be highlighted. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to click the buy button. Right. And it's going to give you some standard options to choose from. But if none of these match what you want to do, you click on the little three lines here, and then you're able to type in. So I'm just going to purchase $10. Right? You punch in the number, the amount that you want to purchase. Then you click the next button. From there, for me, I have a fingerprint confirmation, or you have a PIN number, whatever it is that you had in there. And then it'll bring you to the confirm page that you want to purchase $10 of Bitcoin basically, right? And it'll show you here your breakdown, the funding source, which is your bank account, the amount in Bitcoin, and then the exchange rate, which is 1 Bitcoin right now at 17,947.59 cents. The symbol is BTC. Total Bitcoin purchase $9.78 because Cash App takes a fee of 22 cents, so the total cost for my bank account will be $10. Okay, once you confirm all that, you click confirm and you'll get the confirmation that you purchased your Bitcoin. Then you click done. Once you're done, it takes you back to that home screen of Bitcoin. Now you'll see your balances in there of whatever you purchased in Bitcoin, and as you can see now that you have a balance in there, the sell button has popped back up. Then, when you want to deposit funds into your broker account, this is the button you want to use. You'll click that, and then you'll choose your method of disbursement of these funds. Okay, so you want to use this send button, right, to send to your broker's Bitcoin wallet. So you click the send button, and then you'll type in the amount that you want to send to your broker. So we'll just do what I have in there right now. You're punching the amount, and you can use a Bitcoin calculator. You can go to Google Bitcoin calculator, and it'll calculate how much you want to deposit. So you could see how much from dollars to Bitcoin, how much $50 is, $100, $1,000, and then you can type it into here. Okay, then once you've typed it in, you're going to click the send button here. Once you click that send button, now it's going to ask for where you want to send it. Your broker is going to have a Bitcoin wallet address. It's a long address, there's no rhyme or reason to it, it's like 3#1L27 blah blah blah. So you'll type that in there, and once you type that in there, you'll confirm the address. Once you confirm the address in there, you'll punch it in, and then you'll basically hit the send button. And that's basically it. Then, it'll confirm that you've sent, and then you'll come back to the home page, and your balance will be either 0 or less than however much you deposited into your broker's account.